Hi there, Dave with Crandall Office, and today we're going to be showing you how to install a bearing kit on an office chair gas cylinder. We're going to be showing you on a Steelcase Leap chair cylinder, but this is going to be pretty universal for most office chair gas cylinders. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so the first thing we want to go over is why you might be needing to replace your bearing kit on your gas cylinder in the first place. The first reason is going to be that the bearing kit is what allows the chair to spin freely. So if you're not getting a free spin like this on your chair, you may need to replace the bearing kit. The other reason would be if the clip on the bottom fell off of the bearing kit, the chair is going to, instead of the base coming up with the chair, you can see I can just pick this up straight up out of the chair, and that's going to be a problem. And as you can see, the bearing kit is off of the chair now, so that's going to be a big problem. We're going to need to set this down and then replace the bearing kit. Also want to note that if you do remove the chair this way, you're going to need to take this base, turn it upside down, and shake out the old bearing kit because it will be in the way for the new install. All right, so to get started, we're going to need a couple of things. Number one is going to be the bearing kit itself. Number two is going to be a small flathead screwdriver. Number three is going to be a piece of paper towel just to make sure we get any of that grease cleaned up. And so the first step that we're going to do, we can set all this stuff aside here, is we're going to want to turn the chair over so that we have access to the bottom of the cylinder. And so easiest way is usually just kind of turn it over like that. The first step that we are going to do here is going to be remove this clip from the bottom. And now you're going to want to get underneath this clip like this and just kind of shimmy it off there. There are multiple different styles of clips, and so just kind of pay attention. This might be a little bit different than what you see on your chair, but just get it off of there. This one also has a washer on the bottom here. Make sure to set that aside if yours has this. If it doesn't, no big deal, you aren't going to need one. If it does, you're going to want to reuse that. So with the clip removed, we're going to go ahead and just pull the base off. I like to make sure you set the base upright on its casters. There can sometimes be some grease on the top edge of this, and you can create a ring on the carpet or make something dirty there. So set that up, and then we're going to remove the old bearing kit. Should just come right off. It's going to be in 3 separate pieces, 2 washers, 1 bearing. Set those aside, and then lastly, you're going to have a little bushing here. So go ahead and set that aside as well. Then next, we're going to take our bushing here, put it onto the shaft of the cylinder. Take one of the black washers, put that on first. Take your bearing next, put that on, and then you're going to sandwich that with the other washer right here. If you're as excited about this video as I am, you're going to click the like and subscribe buttons below. Woo! So now that we've got all those back in place, we're going to take the base of the chair, put it back on, slide it on, and as you see, that tip's going to stick right through. This one, again, had the washer. We're going to put the washer on first. We're going to take our new clip and go ahead and just reinstall. This you should be able to do with your hands, or if you want, you can grab your small flathead screwdriver. That's on there. Now you're going to flip the chair back upright, and you should be good to go. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video on how to install a gas cylinder bearing kit on your office chair. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you've got any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to us on our website, crandalloffice.com, our Facebook page, anywhere you can reach us. We're always here to help. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hi there, Dave with Crandall Office, and today we're going to be showing you how. Okay. Hi there, Dave with Crandall Office, and today we're going to be showing you how to install a bearing kit on an office chair gas cylinder. Okay, I'm getting there. You might want to just cut this and start over. There's nothing good there. Me too.
I don't care what you're doing.
So I don't care what.
I don't care what you're doing.
Just be pretty.